our today's topic is variation lead to variations lead to evolution. First definition is of organic evolution. Organic evolution, biological evolution, is a change in the characteristic of a population or species of organisms over the course of generations. It is the definition of organic evolution. Next question is, write the processes of organic evolution. The answer of this question will be, organic evolution include two major processes. Number one is alternation in genetic characteristics, traits of a type of organism over time, and number two is creation of new types of organisms from a single type. This is the organic evolution's process. The definition of organic evolution may be asked in the form of short question as well. Define theory of spatial creation. Important MCQ as well as short question. The anti-evolution ideas support that all living things had been created in their current form only a few thousand years ago. It is known as theory of spatial creation. This block may be selected as important MCQs. Variations are also caused by different combination of chromosomes in gametes and then in zygote. In case of humans, the possible number of chromosomal combinations at the fertilization is 73, 68, 744, 177, 664. In other words, a couple can produce more than 70 trillion genetically different children. Very important MCQ. The first question on this page is, what do you know about the theory of natural selection? The answer of this question would be starting from here and it ends over here. Darwin proposed the theory of natural selection after his 5-year voyage on the HMS, His Majesty's ship Beagle. Important MCQ. The book published by Charles Darwin was on the origin of the species by means of a natural selection in 1859. Next topic is mechanism of evolution, natural selection. Mechanism of evolution is an important long question. The important short question in mechanism of evolution is define natural selection. Natural selection is the process by which the better genetic variations become more common in successive generations of a population. This is the definition of natural selection. Students, next question is, what do you know about the evolutionary fitness of an organism? The answer to this question will be starting from here and it ends in fitness. The definition of natural selection may be selected as an important MCQ as well. Other MCQ include, the organisms with favorable variations are able to reproduce and pass the variations to their next generations. Students, it is the explanation of mechanism of evolution with example. Different populations face different environments and they have to adapt to different conditions. What is the conclusion after mechanism of evolution? The next question on this page, the individuals with favorable variations become a major part of a population, while the individuals with harmful or unfavorable variations become rarer. It is the conclusion after natural selection or after mechanism or of evolution. As a result of natural selection, the allele that gives more fitness of characteristics than other alleles becomes more common within population is also an important MCQ on this page. The color variation in moths. This is the description of color variation in moths. If we talk about the MCQs, then the first MCQ is the moths used to rest on the light colored tree trunks, not dark colored. The dark color variation in moth may be considered an adaptation to environment. Students, next is a very important short question as well as long question, that is artificial selection. The definition of artificial selection is: artificial selection means intentional breeding between individuals for certain traits or combination of traits. It is the proper definition of artificial selection. Question number 1 on this page is: what do you know about the work of Abu Rehan Biruni and Charles Darwin regarding artificial selection? The term artificial selection was expressed by Persian scientist Abu Rehan Biruni in the 11th century. Charles Darwin also used this term in his work on natural selection. He noted that many domesticated animals and plants had special properties. These were the contributions of both these scientists, may be asked in the form of short question as well as MCQs. Moving towards the MCQs, intentional breeding among individuals with desirable characteristics is used to develop special properties in plants and animals. Artificial selection may be called selective breeding, and it is a definition of artificial selection which I have already told you: intentional breeding between individuals for certain traits or combination of traits. Question number 1 on this page is: differentiate between breeds and varieties or cultivars. The answer to this question will be: in artificial selection, the bred animals are called breeds, while bred plants are known as varieties or cultivars. Moving towards the MCQs, definitions of varieties and breeds may be selected as important MCQs, including them: numerous breeds of sheep, goat, cow, hen, etc. have been produced by artificial selection to increase the production of wool, meat, milk, eggs. This is the example of breeds. Other MCQ include: many plant varieties, cultivars, have been produced for better quality and quantity of cereals, fruit and vegetables. These are the examples of varieties or cultivars. The second name for varieties is cultivars. Important MCQ as well. Alright students, this is the end of chapter Inheritance of your Biology 10th textbook. Okay, thank you very much.